Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at problem 6. It says find the area of overlap in the two circles, which is in yellow. The smaller circle has a radius of 3.9 centimeters and the larger circle has a radius of 5.2 centimeters. The distance between the centers of the circles is 6.5 centimeters, round to 2 decimal places. Well, so we want to find this area colored in yellow. Well, if we look at just like this part right here, that's a segment in the big circle. And then if we look at this part over here shaded in yellow, that's a segment for the little circle. So what we're going to do is find those two segments and then add them together. So let's see, what other piece of information do they give us? Well, they tell us that this radius is 3.9, this radius is 5.2, and the distance between the two centers is 6.5. Well, how is that going to help us? Well, in order to find the area of a segment, you need to know this central angle. So this triangle here is going to help us find those central angles, because if we find this angle here, that's actually this right here. And so our central angle at A is going to be this and then another copy of it. So it's going to be 2 times this angle at A. And the same thing with this central angle over here at C. So if we find this angle, which is this right here, all we have to do is double it to find the central angle at C. Okay, so that's our plan. So in order to find this angle here at A, well, if we know 3 sides and we want to know the angle, that's our law of cosines. So I plug in the lengths and I find that angle A is, in this little triangle here, is 53.13 and so on degrees. Well, to find angle C, now that I know A, I have an angle in the side opposite, so I can use the law of sines. And then I want to find angle C. So cross multiply, divide, take the inverse sine, and I get 36.87 degrees. Okay, so we need to find the area of these segments. So the central angles at A and C are 2 times the 53 degrees and 2 times the 36 degrees. So we get 106 and 73 degrees for those 2 central angles. So to find the area of this segment, which uses the 3.9 as its side, and so we're finding this segment over here on the right. So 106 degrees would be this central angle. The radius is the 3.9, and then the angle is the 106.26 degrees. So type that all in our calculator, and the area of this segment over here is 6.8033 square centimeters. And then to find this segment over here on the left, we use this central angle and this length. So our central angle was 73.74 degrees. Our radius is the 5.2. So plug that in. And you get 4.4211 and so on square centimeters. So the total area, you would add those 2 segments together and you get 11.2244 square centimeters. Okay, So please take a look at problem 1 and then watch the next video.